What's going on, crypto miners? Welcome back to the channel. Well, do I have one for you guys today? So I'm always excited to get my hands on new home crypto miners, specifically Bitcoin miners. And huge shout out to the team over at Bitcoin Merch for sending us over these today. I can't wait to take a look. So let's go ahead and dive in here. So I thought we first off would just dump it all out and take a closer look and see exactly what we got our hands on today. And there's a lot of these here. What are all these little things here? So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different individual little baggies. And I'm actually gonna take one of these and we're gonna put it aside. We're gonna come back to that. More to follow. But let's take a closer look here at one of them, and then we'll dive into this here. So opening this up here today, this comes to us, as I said, from the team over at Bitcoin Merch. And this here, that took a while to open, by the way, is this guy. And what in the world is this? Well, this might be one of the cheapest home Bitcoin miners that I've gotten my hands on before. Many also could be the weakest or the lowest hash rate miner out there, but it's also one of the coolest looking ones out there that I can't wait to actually set up and put right here off to the side behind me during my videos. And what am I talking about? Well, this is a Bitcoin miner, yes. And here it is right here. This is called the Gold Nugget. Yes, that is the name of this Bitcoin miner right here. I'm just gonna turn it around. You can see here, this is actually an ESP32, and it's got this whole acrylic case to it with a really big screen on it. And it's actually powered via USB. Came with this USB cable, and everything you need is right here. You could literally plug this into your computer, run it off of your computer. You can plug it into an outlet if you had a little brick with it, or what I'm gonna do is actually plug it into this charging port style here so that I can power multiples of them. So it came with 6. I'm gonna put one aside to give away later in this video, and we're gonna set up 5 of these gold nuggets today and take a closer look to see, well, how easy is it to set up these home Bitcoin miners that have a really badass screen on them? How much hash rate can you actually get out of one of these little ESP32s? There's a lot of you guys that are running these out there. And finally, what are my actual what's my luck? What are my chances to actually hit a Bitcoin block versus 3.125 Bitcoin with something as cheap as this? Well, let's take a closer look. All right, so I've gone ahead and unpacked everything here, and this is actually the switching kind of charging station, which is actually really nice because the actual gold nuggets just slide directly into it, makes it nice and organized for you. So I've gone ahead and powered this unit up, as you guys can see here, and what it's asking us to do to set this up for the very first time is we actually take out our cell phone and we connect to Nerd Miner AP, and we connect using this password here, mine your coin. So I'm actually just gonna slot this right in here. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and take out my cell phone here, and let me go ahead and start recording the screen. And let's get connected here right on my phone. Nerd Miner AP came up, and it has the password up on the miner itself. It says mine the, and I assume caps are mine your, so caps are important, mine your coins. Man, can I spell it right? I don't know, I'm gonna try again. I'm questioning myself. Mine your coins. All right, we're gonna try to connect to this. Let's see how we make out. So we're connected now. Let's see how we do. It looks like it connected, and bam, take a look at this. So it's gone ahead and it's loaded up the kind of manager here. And the first thing I'm gonna do is go to configure Wi-Fi. I think that's the most important that we can do to get it on my actually home network, so we can manage it much, much better. So in here, it's showing all the different wireless connections that are available, and my home wireless is called Center. So I don't know if I can pick that. I can, perfect. And let me go ahead and put in my password here. All right, so our password is put in. Now, it does have a pool that is up here already, public pool. Public pool is well known for supporting a lot of these low hash rate miners. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up as I know it is available for this. So public pool is where we're mining to. Our miner itself will mine to an actual public pool out there. I know the name public pool, it's just, they named it perfectly. And so we will mine directly to that pool. That pool gives our miner jobs. And now the next thing we're gonna need is our Bitcoin address that you guys can see in there. And I have mine in my clipboard, so let me go ahead and grab it. All right, so let me go ahead and paste in my Bitcoin address here. And if you guys don't have a Bitcoin address or you need a Bitcoin wallet, I'm gonna link one directly down below to Tangem. I have a whole video on it. I highly recommend it. I think it's the best way for you guys to go, most secure and easy for beginners. Now, there's a time zone. You can adjust it. I really don't care. Save mining statistics to flash memory. I'm not concerned. Invert the colors. I'm not concerned about that. There's also the screen light, the backlight you can adjust. I'm not concerned about that. So everything is in here that we should need to get started. So let's go ahead and hit save. And we're going to give it a few minutes, and let me go ahead. I'm going to grab our miner here and let's see what happens. So it says on my phone, saving credentials. Oh, it just kicked me out. So let's see. Do we have success here? All right, so it has gone ahead and started mining already. You can actually see it has the hash rate over here on the left-hand side. I mean, this is crazy. This is a really big screen for such a small miner out there. It shows what pool we're mining to, as you guys can see there. And then it's going to start to populate some of this information. It does have uptime as well on the right-hand side. Let me see if I can angle this a little bit better for you guys. There we go. That should be much, much better for what you guys need to be able to see. And it does have our kilowatt, our kilohash in there for 350. We'll have to see kind of how far that goes. And we'll talk more about speeds and things like that in a minute. So now that I've gotten one set up, let me get 5 more set up and we'll see how we make out. And then we'll also take a closer look at the pool side, which is very, very important. All right, so take a look. We have all 5 of the Gold Nugget solo Bitcoin miners set up. Actually worked out pretty good. I did the best I could. I'm gonna spin this around. I did the best I could with the kind of cable management here and kind of slotting all of these additional USB, like the length of these, into this slot number 6. But it kind of works out. My cable OCD is going a little bit crazy here, but here are each of these actual miners. You guys can actually see it shows here our kilohash. So this is our hash rate. This is like your horsepower. Let me slide this a little bit closer for you guys. Your horsepower there. It then also shows you your best difficulty and then how many workers are on the same address. So we have 5, so that's why you see 5 there. And then our uptime in the upper right-hand corner. And these stands are actually kind of nice. They're kind of magnetized there, so it kind of holds these all in the upright position. So the nice thing is you could put this off to the side on a desk. It's a fun talking piece, something to chat about, and something really cool to keep your eyes on, as well as you can see kind of valid blocks there in the upper right-hand corner, which is absolutely the most important. All right, so let's take a closer look here. Huge shout out once again to Bitcoin Merch for sending us over the Gold Nugget home solo Bitcoin miner for today's video and review. If you guys haven't been over to their website, I'll put a link directly down below. They have a lot of my favorite miners out there that you guys will see here. I mean, take a look at these. These are pretty badass looking, but they do carry all of these out there. If you guys are interested, they're all types of different Bitcoin miners. More specifically, here's a bunch of the lucky miners that you guys did see, and we're going to take a look at 2 here. The first one we're going to take a look at is the Gold Nugget Miner, which is exactly what you guys saw on the screen. Just one of them here, the Gold Nugget Miner for 2025. And this comes in at about $59.99. One of the cheapest home solo Bitcoin miners on the market. A great way to kind of learn the ropes, how to set one up, test the waters. Is this going to make you rich? No. This is a home solo Bitcoin miner, which is a lottery miner, which means you're kind of playing the lottery every 10 minutes. And if you hit a Bitcoin block, there's a big if there, an asterisk there, you would walk away with 3.125 Bitcoin. We'll talk about that more in just a few minutes. It uses USB-C and uses, guys, 1 watt total. Now they do sell them in kind of packages, 1 miner, 2 miners, or 3 miners. Now the nice thing is if you go back on the site here, this is what I ended up picking up, which this is the combo. This is the 6 Gold Nugget Miner combo. Comes with all 6 of those units, plus it comes with the actual stand there for the USB stand and power and everything like that. So, you know, you're definitely spending significantly more to get a total of 6 of these. I'm only running 5 because we're going to be giving one away in today's video. We'll talk about that more in literally just like 2 minutes from now, and how you guys can enter that giveaway. Cannot wait to give one of those away, which would be awesome. So jumping over to public pool, this is web.public-pool.io. This is the pool that we're currently on. And if I take a quick step back here, this is what you would actually see when you go to that website address. And the nice thing is you just paste in that Bitcoin address that you put into the miner. And let me clean that up. There we go. And hit my workers. And here they are. So this shows all 5 of my workers right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it shows the total amount of hash rate. We're at 1.6 mega hash is what we're at. Mega hash, there's, you know, you can kind of go up from there. I'll show you in a minute, up to terahash, which is the big boy miners that you would be mining with that are several $1,000s. Those are terahash. We're only mining at mega hash currently right now, but this is a great pool to see that, okay, are my miners up and mining? Yes. Something fun to check every single day. You can also check their performance in here as well. A lot of great information. In the grand scheme of things, you're playing this Bitcoin lottery, right? What are your chances of actually hitting a Bitcoin block with this $59 miner? We've kind of gotten 5 of them all together here at 1.6 mega hash. You see how you can change the slider here. We're over on sololuck.com. You have all these different options in here based off of the hash rate level. We're at mega hash. So let's be realistic here. Your chances are 1 in 12,316,000. Wow, that's even more than that. Nope, we're actually out even farther. This is insane. What is this? 12,316,294,781. So are you saying there's a chance? Well, there's a chance. There's a chance, guys. There's a chance. If you did hit it right now, you would win $223,958 in Bitcoin, which is worth 3.125 Bitcoin. So with these chances, it's rough. It's absolutely rough if you decide to go ahead and buy yourself these gold nugget miners. I think if you don't want to break the bank, you only want to spend a few bucks and you want to learn a little bit more about home Bitcoin mining, dabble into it, kind of tip your toe into it. 59 bucks, awesome. Love it. Absolutely. Can I make a recommendation? If you guys want to spend a few dollars more, I would recommend actually getting the BitX Gamma. This is like the cream of the crop. BitX Gamma 601, the most well-known home solo Bitcoin miner that I recommend everyone get started with, honestly. Like, if you could afford it, $134 versus the 59, this is the way to go. I mean, it's 1.2 terahash versus our other guy here was, you know, we're only 350 kilohash. So you go from here up to here, and your chances, look at this, 1.2, look at your chance difference. 1 in 16. Now we go from, what was that, 12 billion down to 16,422. So for a few bucks more, jump it up to $134. Your chances are significantly better. 1 in 16,422. So highly do recommend it. But listen, this miner is very, very cool. The screen is totally badass. And there's definitely some opportunity here. I love this as a way to get started, or if you just want a really cool display piece for your desk at work or at home, this is absolutely a great way to go. All right, so let's talk about the giveaway. We are giving away one of the Gold Nugget home solo Bitcoin miners from the team over at Bitcoin Merch. How do you enter? Well, it's simple and easy. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you guys won this. Where would you put it? Where would you plug it in? You know, it needs USB power. So where would you plug this in? Do you have an outlet near your bedside you'd want to plug it in? Would you plug it in your desk, in your office? Let me know, comment down below and let me know where you would plug this in. And in 2 weeks, we'll pick one winner and I will ship this anywhere in the world and cover the shipping for you. All right, guys, good luck and huge shout out to Bitcoin Merch for sending us over the Gold Nugget kit for today's video review. Take care. I've teamed up with the Mining Disrupt crew to help spread the word about one of the biggest crypto mining events of the year, Mining Disrupt 2026 in Miami, Florida on July 21st through July 23rd. Beginners, home crypto miners, mid-sized farm operators, full-scale operators, everyone comes together under one roof in Miami.
Expect major hardware launches, industry-leading speakers, creator meetups, and amazing after parties every single night. Tickets are on sale right now and use the code HobbyistMiner for 20% off. Link in the video description or scan this QR code. See you in Miami in July.